Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 4655 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search for HP OfficeJet 4655 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you'll come back with a support.hp.com webpage here that says HP OfficeJet 4655 all-in-one printer. Select that, and then go underneath the support categories that are listed, select the software and drivers button, and then scrolling down once more, select under the installation software and drivers section where it says HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software. Select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should take a moment to extract here. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen setup guide here. It's a very straightforward process of getting it configured for your device. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.